I'm Emmy. I'm a wife, mom, and I like to consider myself a decent human. Spooky season is upon us. Have you figured out what your Halloween costume is yet this year? Oh, you haven't? Well, it's a great thing that you clicked on this video because today I'm going to be sharing with you 15 plus Halloween costumes that you can make using things that you already own. Yes, that's right. This year, let's bypass that trip to the party store where you're surrounded by tons of Halloween costumes that aren't quite you. They're expensive, they're itchy, and they're unsustainable. So you know what's better? Making your own Halloween costume.
Even better, push the like button. You can save my life.
You heard the man. Push the like button. And with that, let's go. All right, to kick things off, you know we gotta give it up for our girl, Mother Earth. Yes, for this look, I started off with the floral headband and I put on this crop top and matching legging set that's this nice dark green color. And of course, I had to put on the duster, give it a little extra touch. Ahoy mateys, this one's for all y'all scallywags out there. You want to be a bar wench? You want to be a lady pirate? Yo, I got you. Look it, all you gotta do is put on a corset, get yourself a nice full skirt, a vest, put the belt on over it, cinch that waist. Yeah, we knuckin' and buckin' and ready to fight. If you're ready to rumble, this boxer costume is perfect for you. Just throw on a little bra top, some shorts, and a robe. Oh, don't forget the boxing gloves, because you know you want to pop somebody right in the mouth. Bam! Boom! What you gonna do, cuz? You can be spooky as you want to be, and freaky as you want to be in this ghost costume. This is giving me classic Halloween, but with a little twist. So instead of doing the white sheet, I did the hot pink, and I kept it real spicy on the bottom with these fishnets. Trust me, when you wear this costume, everyone will want you to be their boo. Some of the best advice I've ever been given was not to take life too serious, because none of us are getting out of here alive. Remind everyone of our imminent demise in this Grim Reaper costume. I paired a black cape with some black pants, and I covered my face with some stockings to give that creepy, mysterious vibe. After all, you can't stare death in the face. Do you like getting hammered? Why not dress up as a carpenter? Just throw on a jumpsuit, tie your hair up in a bandana, grab the right tool for the job, and get to work. You can say, I nailed it. I'm really proud of myself. I know a lot of people don't like mummies, but I think they just get a bad rap. I'll be here every Tuesday, people. For this look, I used toilet paper, but I would recommend you using something a little more sturdy if you're going to be going out and about in this costume all day long. If you need some gum, come see me. I have some extra. I love this bubblegum machine costume. I think it's so cute. I just blew up some balloons and put them in a clear plastic bag. I threw on the tutu and a wig for just extra colors, and I think it would be really cute if you actually have bubblegum to hand out when you're wearing this. Boogie on down to Disco Town, where the good vibrations and love keep on going all night long. This is actually a really cool look for me because the vest that I'm wearing was my Nana's. My grandfather bought it for her when they were dating. I tied a bandana around my head, paired it with this peasant blouse and these high-waisted, wide-leg corduroy pants, and I do feel extra groovy, man. Yeah, let's groove. This is the perfect Halloween costume. I'm sorry y'all about these puns, but I can't help myself. A black cat is so classic for Halloween. I went with a sparkly black corset and some leggings, and I threw on the cat ears to complete the ensemble. And dare I say, I feel meowsing. I apologize in advance for any nightmares that you might have after seeing this creepy, crazed axe killer weirdo costume that my husband created. He basically just found some things from around the house and taped them all together and made this extra spooky, extra weird costume. And I think how you portray a costume really helps to bring it to life, and he is giving his all in this one. This is definitely a city folk costume because country folk won't dress up as hunters because that's just a regular life, but we city folk. So he put on an orange beanie and some camo, and we didn't want to show a gun on our channel, so he's just simulating. Bah! I was out to dinner with the Scarecrow the other night. He didn't eat much. He was already stuffed. Can't stop, won't stop. These puns are gonna keep on coming. But for real though, another Scarecrow friend of mine was trying to be a stand-up comedian. He wasn't really successful. He was too corny. Okay, I'm done. That's the last straw. I can't help myself for real. Okay, I'm done. If you want to dress up as a Scarecrow, put on a straw hat, oversized flannel shirt, and some jeans, and you're gonna look so cool. This Wraith costume is giving me serious spooky vibes, which, funny enough, is the name of the deer that he's holding. My husband actually designed and created and made this mask himself 2 years ago, and it's something that we pull out every single Halloween. And like I said, our deer is named Spooky, and we got him secondhand, so we're not contributing to deer violence or anything like that, in case you were wondering. And there she is, Miss America. Actually, I don't think I qualify to be Miss America because I'm married and have kids and I'm not American. But in this look, I feel like it. I mean, who doesn't want to be a beauty queen for a day? So I put on my prom dress, which surprisingly still fits, my daughter's tiara, and a sash to complete the ensemble. I actually was in 2 beauty contests and I didn't win either one, but at least I can pretend. Well, did you figure out what you want to be for Halloween?
Yes.
Awesome. Well, I'm so glad that you came to hang out with us and to see all of our creepy costumes. If you're interested in supporting our channel, please make sure to like, comment, and consider subscribing. We post videos every single Tuesday. So if you want to hang out, come see us then. And if you can't make it on Tuesday, we still got Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So there's 7 reasons and 7 chances to hang out with us every week. Well, he's not always here, but I am. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have a creepy, safe, and fun Halloween. Okay, love you. Bye. Mwah.